Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to crop in Capcut PC. Without any further delay, let's get into it. So I have already imported the video. Now let's add the video to the timeline and select the video, which I have already done. Now right-click, go to Edit, and click on Crop Ratio. Let's start cropping the video. As you can see the white border around the video. Just select one of these little circles and start cropping the positions. Also, you can adjust the size as well. Once you're done with everything, click on Confirm and you can see the changes. But if you don't like the cropping to reset, just click on here, Undo, and it will change into the original video. Now let's do crop again. Click on this to make the changes. Also, you can play with the rotation if you want. Here is the final result.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
That's how you can crop in Capcut PC. Let me in the comments if you have any questions. Also, if you want to know how to export video in Capcut PC laptop, then watch this video. Thanks for watching.